And here we go on Dragon Falls. Great getting back to Twinlakes, really nice family park. So as you mentioned, they've got a few more rides here than down at Woodlands in Devon. Well, we had a really nice time there, so make sure you check out that vlog from a couple of weeks ago on the channel, just before our trip over to Germany and Austria. We had a really busy summer, we've done lots, which we're really pleased about. It's been great. Yeah, it's only got the one drop, I believe, on here, from what I remember. But yeah, it's a permanent installation flume ride as well. It's not like a travelling version, it's permanently installed here at the park. The boat looks pretty wet, so we'll see how we get on just there. Yeah, there's a little bit of theming at the station, not too much when you're coming round the ride here. Maybe we could do with a few more props and decoration around. This is why it's always worth at a park, coming down to the back first, get some quieter rides. Pretty good views up here. Here we go. Woo! Ah! Just a light sprinkle. Not too bad. I think because I was the only one in the boat, that's probably why I'm not too wet there. Yeah, if you got more weight in a flume ride or rapids or water rides in general, that's when you're going to get wetter on these. Dragon Falls, obviously the old name for Tiger Rock down at Chessington. Used to be called Dragon Falls. I do miss that theme actually. Used to have a lot of theming around it back then. Yeah, this has got a few bits around, but yeah, not too much. I wonder if you could get wet here if there was another boat coming down. Obviously there's nobody going up now, but if a boat came down, maybe the wave would come over at the side here. I'm not too sure. I do enjoy a good water ride though. And we're just grasping on to like the last part of summer as well at the moment. Only a small drop, but still quite thrilling. When you came down there, I'd imagine if you got a full boat, you would get pretty wet on there. I've got a bit of a wet bum, but not too bad. Yeah, just the one drop. And we're back here at the station. That was Dragon Falls.